What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking. Now we are getting ready to go to find our winner for the McDavid McDavid and Sharman's Raz. We're live. Good luck. Here we go. It is 8:02 on the clock. Top three names after four gets each get a spot in the Raz. So good luck. We're gonna start with 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp. Time stamped on 3, 8:02. 8:03 it just turned. And we're on to our last upon random top three names taking on the spot. We got Nick, Ryan, and Matthew. That's spot 5, spot 3, and spot 6. Congrats, guys. Let's get your last and final timestamp here. Last and final timestamp says 8:03. And 8:03 it is. So congratulations, Nick 5, Ryan 3, Matthew 6. You're all taking home a spot, and we're going to see who gets this card here later tonight. Thanks again.